What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Drug Dealer Gets Surprise of His Life. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
This alleged drug dealer went from wrestling with cops to crying for his mama.
Get the f out of your pocket, man.
I need my medicine.
What's wrong? I feel you.
Ohio State Patrol clocked him doing 48 in a 35 and pulled him over, thinking this was just a routine stop. But this simple traffic stop will spiral into a full-blown fugitive case.
Hey, how you doing tonight? How you doing tonight?
How you doing?
Good. Your license, insurance, registration with
I'm
you?
about to get everything for you right now.
Good.
Sir.
Thank you.
I just came home from prison.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
I got you.
I'm gonna show you something. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. What's that monitor?
Anchor monitor. I'm going to a female house
Okay.
up the street. I can show you the address.
I got you.
I'm not doing nothing stupid.
Okay. We
You
drinking
can check
tonight?
me. No, I would. I took a sip.
Okay.
But I can show you. I can walk and all that. I'm not.
I got
don't
you.
do none of that. I'm enjoying
Are you
myself.
supposed to be somewhere right
No,
now?
I don't supposed to be nowhere. But
Okay.
I have a like I just got a report. Just let them know what house I'm going to.
Okay, I got you.
I can show you right
no,
now.
that's fine. That's
No, I just
listen.
want-
I don't work for them.
I just want to show you. I don't want to be disrespectful to you
Yeah.
at all. None of that, because I just came home from prison.
Yeah.
And I just want to be respectful just to let you know, because
sure.
I don't want to go to jail.
Yeah.
I don't want to get no report, none of that.
I got you.
I've been through this before, and I just know how to just be respectful
Yeah,
and
good.
be honest.
Good. How much did you have to drink tonight?
I just had a little bit.
Uh,
No, not a lot. I just took a sip because I'm about to go see a female.
Okay, that's fine.
I just don't want to go through no drama. I just came home from prison. If I do get it, if I go through something, you can take the whole car.
Yeah, no, I'm just making there's nothing. Go ahead, step on out. Come on back to my car, all right? Do you mind if I pay you down for weapons?
I don't have no weapon.
Yeah, do you mind if I pay you down? No, you don't have to take stuff out of your pockets,
I'm
man.
gonna do it for you, sir.
No, please don't. I'm just gonna pay you down. I just want to make sure there's no like guns, knives, anything like that. What do you got right here in this bulge right here?
It's not nothing, though.
No, up in here.
That's not nothing at all.
That's nothing in there.
Nothing at all.
This.
That's not nothing.
What's my hand touching right now?
You probably touching something else. It's not nothing.
It's
at
in
all.
that pocket.
It's
man.
not nothing. I swear to God, I'm not
Okay.
lying to you. I'm
Okay.
not telling you the truth.
Okay.
I'm
Go
telling you
ahead.
the truth.
Listen.
Honest God truth. Listen to me.
Yeah.
I promise you to God.
Yeah.
You can check the car. You can check me. You can script me search and all that. I'm
Okay.
being honest with you, man.
You don't mind if I reach into that pocket and see what's in there?
Could you please just trust me, please?
Well, you just said I
Please.
don't mind if you check it.
I'm just asking
Listen,
you, please.
listen. People
Please.
usually put dope in that pocket, okay? That's what I'm saying.
I just came home from prison, sir.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to go back to prison.
Yeah.
I'm asking you, please. I will do anything that you ask me to do. Anything that you ask me to do. I'm not trying to go back home to prison. I'm not trying to do nothing. I did 11 years, sir.
I got you.
Anything you want me to do. You can check the car. You can check me. You can script search
I
me.
can check everything but that pocket.
You
Is
can
that what you're
check,
saying?
no, but you can check anything, though. But I'm just asking you to first do what you got to do first.
All right, just relax, man. Just relax. So
I
listen.
got you. I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm not going nowhere.
Stuff
I'm
all
right
that
here
money in
with
your pocket. I don't
you.
want to
No,
go
I want everything to go in your hand.
No, I don't want anything. You're
Everything.
trying.
No, I want you to go everything in your hand.
No, I don't, dude. I don't want to hold anything.
Yeah,
do you want to
I-
do field sobriety test?
You got it? You got it?
Huh?
What is the full body?
I'm gonna check your eyes out. So here, face me.
Get that finger straight. I see you shaking.
No, just watch it. Just watch it. You gotta look at the tip of my finger, okay?
No, I'm watching everything. You can follow me up the street too.
I'm not worried about it.
I want you to.
Okay, yeah, just keep watching my finger. Okay. Are you able to walk in a straight line?
Yes, I am.
Just stand right there and imagine there's a straight line directly in front of you, okay?
You want to put me through every test.
Yeah, we're doing the standardized test.
You want to put me through
9, 8, 7, keep going, 6, 7. So I'm gonna have you take 9, heel the toe steps down. When you get to that 9th step, stop keeping that lead foot where it is, turn around using a series of small steps,
Am I done
and
after this?
then immediately take 9, heel the toe steps back. There's a couple standardized tests we do, okay? So just watch me. So
I hear you
1,
calling back up
2,
too, though, but
3.
I'm saying, I'm just
So
gonna
I'm
go
only
back.
gonna do 3 for the demonstration. So go back. I gotta demonstrate before you go. So did you see how I turn? I'm gonna demonstrate that again. Lead foot, turn around using a series of small steps around that lead foot. Immediately take 1, 2, 3, and so forth to get to that 9th heel the toe. Don't reach in that pocket, man.
I'm not reaching in that pocket.
Okay. Remember to keep those hands down
I'm
towards your
doing
side.
this line right here.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing this line right here.
Cooked. You said you just did 11 years? Well, you going back. You're cooked. We know there's something shady going on because the whole pockets and everything. And a lot of times when people are overly like forthcoming or whatever, is really a sign of like hopefully he fall for it type deal. You feel me? Like, oh, you could check the whole car, you could check me, you could check everything, da da da. You're hoping that I would just take your word for it and not actually do it. But nah, it ain't gonna work like that. You're cooked. The field sobriety test, you all like this. Oh, I see your hand shaking now. What? Oh boy. You going back, my boy. You definitely going back, guy.
I'm doing this straight line right here.
Just how I demonstrated. Okay. Face me. Remember to keep those hands down towards your side, both legs straight, foot 6 inches off the ground, okay? Do you got any questions about that?
No, sir. What you gonna do with me after I pass it?
All right. Whenever you're ready, you can pick up your foot.
Can I ask you that? You said with the customs, what you gonna do with me when I pass it?
Just, you want to do it or not?
What you gonna do with me?
All right, man. I'm seeing signs of alcohol impairment tonight.
No,
Go ahead,
I'm
turn around,
about
put your hands
to do
behind
it
your
for
back. No, you're
I'm
under
about
arrest.
to do it for you.
You're under arrest.
Wow. You just told me to do it for you, though.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Wow, you just told me to do it for you.
You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't move as against you in a court of law. Right to an attorney. Right to have an attorney present for any questions I ask you. I'll let you talk to your mom. Right to have an attorney present for any questions I ask you. You don't have to answer my questions about the presence of the
Put me
attorney.
in the car, please.
I'm gonna search you first.
No, you gonna put me in the car, please?
No.
I want to go. I'm about to go shoot my watch.
Okay. Don't do that, man. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay?
I know. I'll kill myself.
No, don't do that.
I'll kill myself.
All right, we're on the ground. We're on the ground.
Please, could you give me
Please
my
don't.
medicine?
Where's your medicine
It's
at?
in the glove box. Please,
After we get you
Please.
searched, okay?
please, please.
Dude, I'm trying to help.
I want my medicine, please.
Yeah, stop.
I
Stop.
want my medicine, please.
Just stop. Dude, get out of your pocket. Get the f out of your pocket, man.
I just want my medicine. I just want my medicine. I just want my medicine. I just want my medicine.
Stop it, dude. Stop it. Get out of your pocket, dude. Stop it.
What are you doing to me?
Get out of your...
What are you doing to me, man? Put my medicine in my mouth.
He's got
Put my
something in
medicine
his
my
right
mouth.
pocket. Just watch his hands.
Can you put my medicine in my mouth, please?
No, he says he's
Can
gonna...
you put my pills in my mouth? Please, my mental health pill.
Stop.
My mental health pills.
Stop.
Could you please put my mental health pills in my mouth?
Stop.
I need my medicine. I need my medicine.
Daryl, stop.
I need my medicine.
He's got dope, man.
I do.
Okay.
Can
Then
I ask
just
you a question,
stop.
please?
Just let us take
Can
it.
I ask you a question, please?
What?
Please. And this is between us, please.
Yes.
Could you please throw it in the sewer?
No.
Okay.
Stop.
Please, can I talk to y'all, please? I'll sit up. I'm gonna
No,
talk to you.
stop. You're fine.
I'm gonna talk to you.
Just lay
Please.
down, let
I'm
me
gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you.
You see how you're grabbing me? I don't like that, Daryl.
Okay,
Stop.
I'm sorry. Can I just give it to you and I'll talk to you, please? I'm gonna sit up.
No.
I'm gonna sit up and
No.
talk to you as a man.
No.
Go in there, get it.
Dude, stop touching my fucking hand.
Man,
Stop.
you're not about to get it from me, then.
Stop.
It's fake.
It's fake.
I swear to God, I was coming to Lorraine and told somebody a dummy pack.
Okay.
What's a dummy pack of?
It's to make some money.
Okay.
Could you check my phone real quick and could you call my mom and say, Mom?
Yeah, we'll get your phone.
No, he
Huh?
said he was gonna do it for me. He gave me his word.
All right.
Yeah. Where's your phone at?
It just went off. Please,
Here's more money. Yep.
please, the
As
phone,
soon-
man. I just want to call my family and let them know I'm going, and she can come get the
Okay.
truck, please.
All right.
You just gave me a word. Come on, man.
I got your phone right here. Go sit down.
You need to talk to them?
I want to tell them to call my mom.
There you go.
Baby,
What's up?
could you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I need you to focus real quick. I get in the back.
Sit down, man. Keep your
I
phone.
need you to focus real quick, baby, okay? I'm going to jail.
Ooh, she sounds sweet, boy. Oh, wait. Listen, ain't nothing like some nice feminine energy around you, boy. Ooh, wait. She sounds sweet as pie on the phone, boy. Ooh, got me a little excited. Oh, golly. That babe. Hey, hold on, boy. Y'all hear that voice, man? Woo.
Them.
I want to tell them to call my mom.
There you go.
Baby,
What's up?
could you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I need you to focus real quick. I get in the back.
Sit down, man. Keep your
I
phone.
need you to focus real quick, baby, okay? I'm going to jail. They found me with a whole bunch of drugs, man. I got about $50,000 put up. I'm gonna look out for you, but I need you to be able to pick up this phone when I go to jail, man. I love you. I love you, man. Call my mom on three-way right now.
Yeah, he went in cuffs easy, and then he's like, I'm on watch, and just started slamming his head against the hood.
Really?
Yeah.
On your car?
See if he's staying right there.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, mama.
What?
You know you my favorite, right?
What's up?
You know I love you, right?
Yeah, why?
I'm sorry, okay?
Girl, no, why? What's wrong?
I failed you.
You failed me.
I failed you, ma.
Girl, stop talking in riddles this time of the night.
I got caught with a lot of drugs, ma.
No, you didn't, girl.
I love you, okay? Ma, I know you mad at me. You hear me? But, ma,
Yeah, girl.
I'ma miss you. You hear me?
Here, Mike.
What's up?
Take this with him.
Medication.
Yeah. Oh, look at you looking at the grass instead of the asphalt.
I'm maturing. I don't want to hit the asphalt either.
Good job.
You know?
That's what I like to see, Mike. Good decision makings in time of stress.
I know you're so sad, girl.
Don't be, ma. Don't be. I'm sorry, okay?
No, baby, you were doing so great, girl.
I know, ma. It's okay. It's some little cracks I need to fix. Hello?
Yes, okay.
Maya,
Yes.
I want to hurt myself.
You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
You put any other charges on me, like just arrest?
Obstructing, resisting, yeah.
Yeah, I guess a DUI too, huh?
Oh, yeah, that's what it all.
Hello.
Babe, I'm about to go in the bullpen thing in a minute. You gonna stay on the phone with me until they take me upstairs?
Yeah.
Big dog, what's up, big dog?
What's up, man? Hold on. She's still on the phone.
Say bye.
You can just put it in my pocket.
Say bye.
Come on, don't do that to me.
This is.
Just put it in my pocket.
It's going. Just say bye, man.
Babe,
Yes.
you about to call my mom?
Yeah.
Alright.
Daryl Hicks was indicted in Lorain County on charges including heroin possession, tampering with evidence, obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and OVI. He was supposed to return for court for pretrial in May 2025, but facing more time in prison, he never showed. Hicks is now officially a fugitive from the law, and when he's eventually captured, skipping court will add even more weight to his punishment. The specific sum is unknown, but there's a reward for information leading to his capture. I'll keep an eye on this case and update anyone who is subscribed if Hicks is caught. At Blue Line Body Cam,
Wow. Come on, man. I get it. I mean, I get it. You just did 11 and you don't want to go back. But not returning is gonna add more time because eventually you're gonna get caught. Because the whole thing with you being on a run, you can't really have contact with your peoples. So it's gonna be really difficult for you to survive like that. That's, oh man. But yeah, he looking at time for all them oof. Golly. It's tough, man, because once you're a felon, man, once you're a felon, it's very difficult for you to like do certain things. You know what I mean? Like you can't really get regular jobs and stuff like that. Like, and you still gotta go out there and get it. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. Oh well. Oh well. We'll see in about another 15 years, you hear me? Whenever they do catch you. Now that you ran, you cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked. You definitely cooked now. But anyways, I think the officers did, oh man, I think they did outstanding, honestly. Even after the little tussle and everything, still letting him talk to his people and all that, they treated him really decent. I ain't gonna lie to you. They treated him really decent. So I get them guys like 4 out of 5, you know what I mean? Always got to talk to mommy, got to make sure mommy good, you know? But anyways, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.